how to make a Spotify artist account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a Spotify artist account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically make a Spotify artist account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you can actually open up your browser here and then just go to artist.spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now once you go to artist.spotify.com, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where what you need to do is tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen here. Then first of all make sure that you're signed in, then tap on the get access option that over here. From there you can just look for the option called artist or manager and then just make sure to tap on the artist or manager option there. And after you have done that, what you want to do is just tap on the continue option to claim a Spotify artist profile. Then just tap on the next option here. Then all you have to do is simply search for the artist profile that you would like to claim over here. Now remember that I'm just choosing a random one. These have already been claimed. If there's an artist that you haven't claimed, just make sure to claim your artist profile and then you'll be able to make a Spotify artist account. That's all it takes to make a Spotify artist account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.